I'm Prashant Elmanchli. Today I'm here to discuss about research methods course for 2, that is data visualization. We are given a data set of different diet groups containing total of 1000 IDs, and the groupings are fish, meat lesser than 50, meat 100 plus, meat 50 to 99, vegetarians and vegan, and contains the following rows. Now our task is to make Professor CA understand our data more easily by using advanced data visualization techniques. For this we are using tree maps. Now let's look at our coding part. In the coding part, we first import the necessary libraries and then did some basic data cleaning, and then started by standardizing the data by dividing it into age groups, that is lesser than 40 and greater than 40. And for data preparation, the mean of all 1000 participants have been taken separately for each group of every diet group. All the age groups are aggregated by diet groups, and mean of greenhouse gases emissions have been calculated. And then we started building our tree map. So if you look at the tree map, the colors are designed based on the emission of greenhouse gases. The higher emission, the more darker the color. The higher emissions appear in red, while lower emissions appear in green color. Each rectangle represents a diet group and its subcategories such as gender. And the larger the size of rectangle, the higher total cumulative GHG emissions. For example, larger boxes under meat 100 represent the dominant contribution to emissions. The positions of rectangle is representing a way the top left rectangles have higher emissions, decreasing the size as you move towards bottom right. So if you observe here, the meat 100 has emitted higher greenhouse gas emissions. The male category who are older than 40 years have emitted 46.89 kgs, while females have emitted 46.33 kgs, followed by meat 50, and then by fish and vegetarians, and then vegan. The lower emissions are then by vegans who are lesser than 40 years in female category by just by 4.92 kgs. The unique observation we made here is, despite vegetarians and vegans having lower per person GHG emissions, the cumulative sum of older participants greater than 40 has higher GHG emissions compared to younger participants. It looks like they have higher consumption patterns than expected. Thank you.